Here's a quick tutorial on tortoiseshell nails using a foil. First I went in with a base layer using a caramel color and then cured that. Then I went in with my foil gel and put a layer down and cured that. Next I took my foil and using my silicone tool pressed that in and trying to get all of the sides, trying not to get any creases, rub that on. And you don't have to get it perfect because you're going to go in afterwards and clean up any areas that didn't quite get all of the foil on there. But you just press it down, turning it and pushing all of the foil onto the surface. So then I took my detail brush and black nail polish and went in and cleaned up any areas that were a little spotty or any areas that I just didn't like, added some details. I also took some of that caramel color that I had used for the base and filled in some more areas. Next I took a jelly orange and did a layer of that, which starts to give it that deep, rich amber color. Then I went in with a jelly yellow color, which then kind of adds more depth to it. I went back in with a detail brush and my black polish to give another layer. You can do this as many times as you want. I just kind of like to give it a little bit more dimension. So then I went in with my top coat and I'm putting a layer of matte down just to show what it looks like with the matte or with the shiny, so you can see that like either way it's just absolutely stunning and it's so easy. It's not bulky or chunky, it's just gorgeous and perfect every time.